Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about a company that I don't talk about often enough, and that is Prusa. So over at FormNext, if you've been paying attention or you got the emails, etc., you might have seen that they have launched, or at least announced, the index for the Core 1. I mentioned it briefly yesterday in the video that I posted about the Bamboo Lab H2C being available in the US now. If you are interested in that, you can go check out that video. But back to Prusa. So what is it? Well, they've been teasing this for a while, but they finally announced that they will be putting the index system, which is a tool head or a tool changer, into the Core 1. And we have now seen the actual unit in play, and I will play a little bit of that video here shortly. But we are going to have the ability to put the Bondtech INDX system into a Core 1. Not the Core 1L that they recently announced, but the Core 1. So you can pick one of these up right now, the Core 1 that is, and they've actually also announced the Core 1 Plus, so they've made some minor modifications to the original Core 1. But let's talk more about the index. So here you can see the 8 tool heads. Interestingly enough, unlike most of the tool changers that we've seen out there, the tool heads are usually in the back of the printer. These are all in the front, and I'm not entirely sure how I feel about that yet. Obviously, I have not used one, but it seems like it's going to be kind of in the way of the build plate and stuff like that. So here you can see a little animated video or GIF or whatever you want to call it of the printer printing, and you've got all these 8 tool heads up in front. Obviously, the benefit to this, as opposed to like what Bamboo Lab is doing with the Vortex system, is that your filament is loaded into the tool head or into the nozzle, and there is no retraction, there is no purging. You will, if you want a good print, you're going to have to prime, so you're still going to have a prime tower, but you get away from all of that purge waste that's been plaguing us for the last couple of years since multicolor printers have become a lot more popular. So here's a picture of the tool head itself, and then you can see the tool or the nozzles up at the top. So very interesting. This also uses induction heating. I think, well, I don't know who did it first, but so it's going to be very quick heating and very quick color changes or filament style changes, etc. So that's pretty exciting. So how do you get this? Well, Prusa has partnered with Bondtech and their index system, so it's kind of a two-part deal right now. You can't just go out there and buy a Core 1 with this system, and it's not available yet anyway. Yesterday morning, and I kind of regret not doing it, you know, the more I think about it. Yesterday morning when I read about this, you could go to the Bondtech website and you could put down $150 and reserve your spot to get one of their Founders Editions. They had 2,000 spots available, and when I got up yesterday morning, there were still 188 available, and I actually started going through the process, but I had to register to the website, and eventually I got sidetracked, and then later in the day when I went back to do it, it was gone. You can't do it anymore. But anyway, there was the availability for 2,000 people to sign up for this Founders Edition, and it would ship in Q1 of 2026. They said late Q1, so probably March, probably March timeframe, that they would send you out this kit. And you could order either a 4-head or an 8-head kit. The prices were pretty aggressive. It was $499 for a 4-tool head upgrade kit and $699 for the full 8. So if you think about that, the Core 1 currently, Black Friday sales, all that kind of stuff, assembled $12.99. You can also buy the kit for $9.99. But let's just say you get it assembled, and then you get this upgrade kit. So you're talking less than $2,000 for an 8-tool head printer. So that's pretty good considering what the H2C with its 7 colors, but you still have that AMS system and the retraction and the poop, etc., is $2,400. So they're actually doing more for less than Bamboo, which is kind of unheard of for Prusa. That's not the only thing that they announced yesterday. I thought this was kind of interesting. They also have this dry box system now that's going to fit on the side of their printers. And let's go ahead and roll that video. All right, so here's the video. This is from the next layer, and here you can see the Core 1 actually going through a print, and you can see all of the nozzles there with the various colors of filament loaded. There's Joseph Prusa himself showing off the machine, and look at the dry boxes that are mounted to the side. So they've actually got 8 of these dry boxes loaded up on the machine, so you've got a not fully enclosed. I'm sure they'll come up with a lid solution for this as well. It may be a little challenging there with the tubing, but I figure they'll work it out. But you do have a system by which you can keep the filament dry. So that is pretty neat. It's an exciting time in the 3D printing world. There you can see the prices. So fun stuff. All right, so that about wraps it up for this little quick announcement with the index system coming to the Prusa Core 1. Let me know what you think. Are you more in the Bamboo Lab H2C camp, or is this what you've been waiting for? A real tool head, tool changer system that is going to give you the ability to print with multiple filaments, multiple colors, types, etc., without having any of that purge waste. So let me know down in the comments. Please, if you haven't already done so, take a moment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I enjoy the time that we get to spend together here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.